In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page in Canva. First, you have to open your browser like Google Chrome or Firefox and search canva.com. Make sure to log into your account first or you can create a new one. After searching the landing page website, you can click on the add icon to create a blank landing page website. You can also choose the template to create a landing page. Click on templates from the top of the screen. Search landing page in the search bar located at the top of the screen. You will see different types of templates and scroll down to see more. Click on any template and then customize this template. You can now customize the template according to your requirements. Select the text of the template to add your text and adjust it. You will see different tools to edit your template on the top of the screen. You can change color, size, font style, animation, or more. You can resize and adjust your template as you want. You can add an element by clicking on the Elements option from the left side menu. Search for the element you want, like overthinking, and add graphics according to your template topic. Tap on See All to view all the relevant graphics. Click on the element and then adjust it in the template. Customize all the text on the page and move it to another place if you want. Click on Apps from the left menu, scroll down and add background. Choose the background according to your template and add it to the page. You can add a link to the template by choosing the text. Right-click on the text box and then select Link from the drop-down menu. Enter or paste the link in the box and click on Done. After customizing and editing your page, click on Share, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Download and select the social app you want to publish the page by, clicking Share on social media. Also, you can add a collaboration link, template link, and a public view link. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.